Hey friends, welcome back. If you've been here before, if this is your first time, welcome in. I appreciate you stopping by. Today, I will be installing the Shad, what is this model number? The E091CL hard shell tank bag. I will also be using the S010CS adapter that is required to fit onto the VStrom. That extra adapter plate is this piece right here. It fits on the bottom part of this, where the opening is. The installation seems pretty straightforward. In order to find the installation guide, it didn't come with the purchase, it didn't come with the bag itself, but you can go to the Shad website and download the manual. It's super simple. So the first thing you'll want to do is install the bracket right there, just like that, with the included screws. And you want to have the beveled edge. Hopefully you can see that. It looks like you should be able to. It'll focus. The beveled edge should be this way, because the screws that are used are tapered, so that'll be a perfect fit. These are the two screws that hold the two pieces together that you mount onto the gas tank. Alright, so the next step will be to remove these two bolts and this one up here. This is what it should look like when you're finished. Remember, this piece is plastic, so when you're using your screwdriver, be sure just to get it snug. Make sure you get the screws snug but not super tight. Don't over tighten them, or you'll end up stripping out the plastic, and you don't want to do that. I mean, you can solve that problem, but the best way to manage that is to not strip them out. So don't over tighten. These bolts are 4mm, and the ones you'll be replacing them with will be 3mm. The long one will go up at the top. The shorter ones will go on the bottom. Super simple install. These three spacers go between this mounting bracket and your tank. I actually found it easier just to put the spacers in to the mounting holes before you actually put the bracket on and put the bolts through. This should be how it looks when you're finished. If you look closely, you can see the spacer in between there. You can see the spacer between the bracket and the tank. And don't forget, I use a little bit of blue Loctite just to make sure things don't back out. You may or may not want to use some, but I do like to use blue Loctite on things that may come loose. Next up, we mount the bag. And now this is what it looks like installed. I think it's a perfect size for what I need. You might need one bigger, you might need one smaller, but this will do everything that I need. So, with that being said, that's the installation of my new Shad tank bag. I will have a review coming soon.